Imagine you're drowning in a sea of tasks, emails, and deadlines. You're juggling multiple projects, trying to keep track of everything, and feeling overwhelmed. Have you ever felt like you needed a digital assistant to help you stay organized and productive? In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get lost in the chaos. That's where project management tools like Asana come in. Transition. Let's dive into the benefits of using Asana and see how it can transform your workflow. Benefit 1. Improved organization and visibility. Asana's visual interface makes it easy to see all your tasks in one place. You can create projects, add tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. With Asana's Kanban boards, you can easily visualize the progress of your projects and identify any bottlenecks. Plus, Asana's search functionality allows you to quickly find specific tasks or projects, saving you time and frustration. Benefit 2. Enhanced collaboration and communication. Asana is a great tool for teams to collaborate and communicate effectively. You can create shared projects, assign tasks, and leave comments directly on tasks, making it easy to keep everyone on the same page. Asana also integrates with other popular tools like Slack and Google Calendar, making it even easier to stay connected and organized. Benefit 3. Increased productivity and efficiency. By using Asana, you can streamline your workflow and increase your productivity. With Asana's automation features, you can automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and effort. You can also use Asana's reporting features to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Benefit 4. Better time management. Asana's time tracking features allow you to accurately track how much time you spend on each task. This can help you identify time-consuming tasks and prioritize your workload more effectively. Asana also provides reminders and notifications, ensuring that you never miss a deadline. Benefit 5. Scalability and flexibility. Asana is a highly scalable tool that can grow with your team and projects. Whether you're a small team or a large enterprise, Asana can accommodate your needs. Asana is also highly customizable, allowing you to tailor the tool to your specific workflow and preferences. In conclusion, Asana is a powerful project management tool that can help you improve your organization, collaboration, productivity, time management, and scalability. By using Asana, you can streamline your workflow, reduce stress, and achieve your goals more efficiently. Ready to give Asana a try? Sign up for a free trial today and experience the benefits for yourself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.